making a video, but I can't see shit. I can't see anything. I got a bunch of shells. This one. I made sure to grab the prettiest ones that I could see. And my bun back up to the squad. Let's do that like right now. Run back like Baywatch. We're gonna go change. Oh,
We're gonna go shopping and stuff. She's slowly putting. Oh, everyone make the same face. Ready? Okay, we're all making different faces. Okay, everyone's fine.
Just ordered a fat-ass salad. Canned Gatorade.
Because Florida's weird like that.
Canned Gatorade.
I'm in and tall.
Ice cream from the best ice cream shop in all of America.
Yes.
We went to the best ice cream shop in town.
It was great.
But I got sorbet because fuck it. Rayel got me some mermaid kisses.
Some unicorn smiles too.
That's glitter. Killing my vibe, bro. There's a storm a brewing. And we made it to Wells Fargo. Zebra. Oh, would you look at that? Now let me try yours.
It tastes like a piece of spinach and a banana mixed together.
A piece of spinach and a banana. Marielle's first time eating sushi.
And I'll just eat it. Yeah. No, whole thing. Yeah.
Do you like it? Yeah. Okay, she likes it.
We're making it work though.
This is great.
I have to do it.
I'm at my prime.
Yeah.
We're going shopping tomorrow.
We're gonna shop and do. Hello, we are at the mall. Little tiny backpack. It has a chain on it because I'm badass.
So we can't figure out where we're gonna eat. I'm gonna go myself.
She doesn't want the sweet bread.
I do want the sweet bread. I just can't eat the sweet bread.
There's you and your gluten-free stomach. Can we like moon the whole mall can see us?
Wow, you guys are some losers. And I'm being
There's some bread.
stared at. No, get the. She's causing a scene, and I'm really embarrassed. We were supposed to go parasailing tomorrow, but tomorrow's Friday the 13th, and Riley's grandma doesn't trust it.
Is your fake or is it real? No one knows.
Ooh. Oh no. I've been interrupted. Should I put somewhere here? Oh, I'm flipping off the cam. Hey, we're at the beach one more time. Unroll the bottoms. They're high-waisted today, y'all. Look at our bodies. Tan pads.
Once again, I've got the salty itch.
Help me!
Want to
Help!
film me doing the...
Woo! She fell. She gone. She down. She down. She done for. Ready?
Hello, are you watching?
No.
Watch out. Priscilla's coming for you.
Bye. Just watching a scary movie, shitting our pants. Dude, if I ever get pissed.
Priscilla, I might stab you.
My friends are beautiful. Oh, no, please. No, you're bald. Help. Dude. Oh, no. Okay, enough of this. We finished the movie but got really scared, so now we're watching comedians in cars getting coffee. On a paddleboard right now. Vlog time. Yeah. Had to do it to him. I'm gonna attempt to stand up while holding my phone. This may go very bad. Oh, hell yeah. This little thingy's messing with me. Shit. Oh look, there he is again. Oh yeah, that's refreshing. That you're using are killing me slow. Making progress. Oh shit, nope. You guys can do it. Lunch at a resort after paddleboarding. Look how pretty. This is a weird straw, it's like paper. My rainbow shirt, my rainbow coat. Feeling pretty good.
Just eating a snow cone.
Okay, this is your.
Row. Expelliarmus row. Fine dining. Priscilla's gonna be trying duck for her first time.
What do you think?
It tastes like a crunchy chicken. Riley's about to whip it up in the kitchen. Hey. Alright, don't crash it.
Before you start the car, sure that everything is as it should be.
It's my butt.
Seatbelt on.
Oh, that hurts so bad.
Are you okay?
Do you not like that?
Just look at it. Look at it. With the palm trees. Are we living in a dream? Somebody please tell me. Dirt. I'm stuck in the dirt. I ruined someone's property. I'm in love. I'm gonna get hit by a car. If I eat shit, tell my mom I love her. Holy shit. We're in another ice cream shop.
What happens if I ask where Big Olaf is? Do you think I should ask specifically for him? And accept service from him?
Indirectly. No
So
one else.
where
Coffee? Caramel? They didn't give me those. Jesus Christ. Yay. An absolute beauty.
It's Marielle.
I've never seen something so beautiful in my whole entire life.
Going under a bridge, not over.
That's going to be us in one couple few minutes. Insane! Absolutely insane! Oh my god! We're getting high for the first time. Woo!
Yeah.
Wow.
If I just leave
Well, look at the ocean. It never ends. Never ending ocean. Wow.
He's really doing it!
We're going to get our nails done. Ooh.
Same, so you can just
Now we're eating at a Chinese restaurant and we're loving it.
We love Chinese. We love Chinese. We love it.
We're just getting some. Oh my god. Okay. Let's turn around and be super serious.
Look, does my butt look good?
Yes, your butt looks amazing, Marielle. You dropped a nickel. Nickels are important. They're 5 cents. Basically, 5 pennies. Run! Vlogging on the beach once again.
Get my whole hand in it, Marielle.
Wowie. Yeah! Hey!
I actually do it?
Guys, damn! Isn't it wonderful? It's face mask time.
Because we're gonna be beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Who said?
Read the directions. Apply a leave on for 5 to 20 minutes.
5 to 20 minutes. What?
3 times Rudy or spot treatment.
There's a hole in my hand. Oh.
I need something.
Damn, son.
Where'd you find this? All caps. THI.
I've never done this before. It smells really bad. Oh! Wow! Yes! Oh.
Fucking ducks.
Dang, ducks. It's just satisfying bad. I can't remember my lip. Are you attracted to me? I'm not actually this serious. I just can't move my face. Wait, where?
Like there's one of those bitches that go to like a mass.
No.
That's the way to go. The idea for soothing very dry skin.
It's okay, dude. I I'll be your best friend. Hold my hand if you want to. I'm gonna hold yours too. It's time to be a big girl now. Big girls don't cry.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was.
I know.
But this is what you're supposed to.
You have great skin.
Literally.
Priscilla's bullying me. Stop! It's not funny. Stop it!
He doesn't want my Doritos.
I do not.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do. Just woke up at 2 in the afternoon. I feel dead. My nails twinkle in the sun.
No, thank you.
Good morning.
Can you please open? So sad. I got riggedy rugged last night. Getting buzzed.
Are you good?
Batch. 420.
Oh. Wait. Aw. I want to pet it. Oh, it's so majestic.
Kiss me.
Oh, what? Is that an alligator gar? It's another turtle. Oh.
Eel.
Oh god.
The emo Nemo.
Is this? Wow. Wow. Look at all the jellies. Look at these jellies. Big ol' fish. At this time, sailors believe manatees are sea monsters. Oh man, I got that one wrong. Wow.
She's been all over the country.
No! Shark! Shark! Everybody run! Look, it's just like Finding Dory.
Wait, start.
Scared.
Yeah.
Everything, yeah, they certainly are.
Cucumber.
I'm scared.
It's squishy.
Oh god, that's scary. Wow. Oh my, he just flashed his eyes at me.
Yeah.
Why doesn't it want me? Oh, it's so slimy. Oh my god.
When they come in, where they found.
Sea turtles. Just some sea turtles. Bad bitch.
Ever since I was little, I've been like, I'm a manatee. Riley, look at Casey.
Bum, 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 bum. Oh my god. Otter.
I think.
Oh. Ah! There's an alligator! He just goes like, cox.
No, this one's alive over here.
Fish. Oh. What you don't understand is I catch a grenade for you. Is everybody ready for the Riley whip number 2? A. And crashes the car. About to go eat a fancy dinner. Fancy dinner. Fancy dinner. What? Yeah. Huh? Who? What?
So Riley, I was thinking.
Mixed together and it gets darker.
I think. Yeah, because there's like a laser.
Shrimp.
That was so nice being able to like.
I'll always accept the tickle.
Because we have for the s'mores and
Yeah, it was.
Overall.
Strawberry.
Yeah, this is.
I'm so full I might die. Nah. Incredible dinner. Yes. Gonna be. Yes. Incredible. Insane. We were walking out of the movie theater and
That was the best movie I've ever seen.
heard a loud kerplop, and then all of a sudden you looked down and old lady fell.
Old lady fell.
It was really sad. She hurt her foot too. Oh my.
She's like,
But that was
But I
probably
like
the
it.
best
Made me
movie that I've ever
giggle.
seen. Let's just
made
say
me giggle.
Jack
Made me-
Jack. Boom boom Jack Jack boom. Just chilling downtown Sarasota. International House of Burger. Tell us how you feel about IHOP.
I love IHOP so much.
I love it.
Prettiest beach in continental North America. Siesta Key. Umbrella down. Everyone left me and the umbrella fell down. Stab it in the ground. Found a bunch of shells. We just broke into one of the resorts in Florida. It's really, really nice.
Oh, look, I need you. I didn't know it was actually gonna come all the way out of there. Now stop moving. I'm embarrassed. Pop, pop.
My booty's not damn.
Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Into the tempo show. Let me do it. Nude glow anywhere bomb? No. Like, is it more bad for your face or good for your face?
Color.
Oh, okay. No, never.
Elizabeth highlight. Both flowers.
We're going to a restaurant called Columbia.
I kind of want a steak.
We're in the bathroom. We were at the fancy dinner. We decided to not be at the fancy. I am a collector.
I'm about to make Priscilla nuts.
I'm about to.
What was the word that my grandma was using the other day to describe the shrimp? That's the perfect color. That's the perfect.
Luminous.
No.
We're making the most of our last night and we're walking to the beach. And it's 1 in the morning. And this is the first night we're all sneaking out together because we wanted to be good for the grandma. So we're getting reckless tonight, y'all. We are at the beach, chilling at the beach. It's kind of scary at the beach. Kind of scared. Don't know what to do. Not the kids we used to be. 1 hour of sleep. Jay chilling. Chilling in this massage chair. Yeah. Open in the airport. We've been tricked. We've been tricked.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what you mean by that, but we've been tricked.
Hello. Goodbye.
You open my wallet and just pull out my money and say hello. Now. For a second I thought it was gone. I was like,
Okay, this is the last video, everybody. We're heading back to Austin. It was one great experience.
one hell of a ride.
Anyway, goodbye.